Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you how a Haworth chair comes and how do we set it up. And it's a lovely chair. It gives you good support for the back, good material and long lasting. Little bit expensive but lovely. Let's watch the unboxing of it and how it gets installed and ready to go. Thank you for watching. Hello everyone. Today we are going to do unboxing of Haworth very lovely and easy chair. This comes in a box. We just opened it. You can see we are taking out the things from this. These are the arms. These are the backrest. These are the base of the chair. This is the where the chair will be setting up. So you will come to know this is a very lovely chair, and this can be installed normally by professionals. So I'm just showing it in case you don't want to wait for the professional to come to set it up for yourself. You can do it yourself also. So these are all parts coming out of this box. So this is the base. Base has been set up. First they will put the part below the seat, where you sit. These are fixed with the 4 screws which comes along with. This is quickly being screwed, one, and then the second one, and then the third one, and that's the fourth one. So it's all tightened. So this is the where the chair will get connected. This is the arms now getting connected. Very simple to put it. Again, 4 screws. Arms are being placed on the sides. 1, 2, 3, and 4. So same goes with the next arm. So this is the armrest, not the arm, I would say. This is the armrest. So this is again 4 screws. So your base where you will sit along with the armrest is ready. Now the next part will be getting it connected with the base of the chair where the wheels will be there. So this is there. See, quickly done. He's just rechecking that all screws are quite tight so it doesn't have anything. Now this is the backrest. This is a lovely backrest and very comfortable and very good for your back. It doesn't give you backaches and it helps you when you're working from home. So again, the backrest is going in. Again, very simple to install. These are 4 or 3 screws. This gets tightened now, so it doesn't take much time. They just check it if it is all good to go. So your seat where you will actually sit is ready now. Now they're going to take out the hydraulic part of the chair between the base and the chair. So it is getting installed here. These are the wheels of the base. So wheels have gone and they just push it in. It goes inside. So the base is ready. The hydraulic connection. Your chair is ready to go. So this is the lovely chair. If you see, this is the base, armrest, back support. So it's a lovely chair.